In this video, I'll show you how to send notification from Gmail to Google Chat automatically. So what will happen, every time a new email is received in your Gmail account, you can send notification to your team on Google Chat automatically. So now onwards, your team do not have to keep on checking their Gmail account again and again for the specific type of email, because what will happen, every time the new email is received, your team will get notified automatically. Want to set this automation for yourself? Come with me and I'll show you the whole process step by step. So this is my Google Chat group, that is blog review team, in which I would like to receive the notification of this specific Gmail account. And to automate this, I'll have to integrate these two applications, and I am going to do that with the Pabbly Connect. It is an amazing integration and automation software. I am already an existing user of Pabbly Connect, and here you can see I am already logged in. You can also create your free account in just 2 minutes from this particular button, and you will also get free task in the free account to test these kind of automation. Okay, once you will reach to the dashboard, click on that blue button and provide any random name to your workflow, to your automation. So I will provide the name something like when new email is received in Gmail, notify team on Google Chat. Okay, so I'm providing this particular name. Click on create, and then you will find two boxes. These are trigger and action. So here trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So whenever this happens, automatically do this. Understand with an example also. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. According to our use case, whenever any new email is received into the Gmail application, then automatically send a notification on Google Chat application. But in this particular case, instead of directly connecting this Gmail with Pabbly Connect, I am going to connect this Gmail and Pabbly Connect with the help of email parser. Okay, so email parser is an amazing feature of Pabbly Connect, via which you can connect your Gmail account with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so how you can do that? Firstly, you will have to read these instructions very carefully. Okay, so firstly, copy this email address. Okay, so copy this email address and then come back to your Gmail account whose notification you would like to receive. Okay, and then click on settings, click on see all settings, and you will reach to the forwarding and POP IAM app. Okay, make sure you remove the existing forwarding email address. Okay, so I have done the same. Then again I will click on that add a forwarding address, and then I have pasted the same email address which we have received via Pabbly Connect. It is asking to proceed. Yes, proceed, and the confirmation code has been sent on that specific email address. Okay, so come back to Pabbly Connect, and as soon as you will click on proceed and okay, you will see the response is received, and in this response you'll have to go to down. Okay, directly go to at the last section, and in this body text you will find that confirmation code. Here you can see, simply copy that confirmation code, come back to your Gmail account and provide that code here. Click on verify, and this is how the verification process can be done. And make sure that you enable this forward a copy of incoming email to, and then click on the save, and this is how your Gmail account will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. Now what will happen, every time a new email is received, okay, firstly you'll have to click on this recapture email response button, and then you will have to wait for that email. Okay, so every time a new email is received here, all those emails will be received via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I will even show you that I'm going to send an email on this specific Gmail account, and you will see how that email will be received here. So assume that you are working with some freelancing company, and whenever they send you an email about that blog submission, that they have completed the article, and whenever they submit the article, you want that your blogging team should be aware that the blog has been submitted, and you can check that blog, check that email. Okay, so that is why I'm going to send an email as a freelancer to this particular email address. Okay, so let me first send this email. Firstly, I'm going to attach a blog also along with this email. Blog on digital marketing. I'm attaching this specific blog. Alright, I'm sending this email to this specific Gmail address. Now I'll have to wait for that email to arrive here, and you will see the very same email details will be received via Pabbly Connect as well, since we have just connected it with this Gmail account. And here you can see the email is received and the subject line is this. Okay, here we have the content, here we have the attachment. Coming back to Pabbly Connect, and yes, the response is received in Pabbly Connect as well, and we have received all the data. We have the email address of the receiver, we have the email address of the sender, we even have the subject line, and let me show you the other details. Okay, so basically the email content here in this body text, you can find that email content. Hello team, as per the discussion on one of the freelancing app, I have completed the 1000-word article following all the SEO requirements. Please find the attachment. Kindly release my payment. Thanks, demo freelancer. Enjoy automations by Pabbly. Alright, so we have all the email content. Okay, let me check whether I have received that attachment link or not, and yes, we do have that blog link as well. Okay, if I will open this link into a new tab, you will find that it is the link of that same blog. All right, okay, so the first step of our automation is done. Now I want to send the notification of this email on Google Chat to my team. Okay, so I have already selected this application, and in the action event I will select this create message. Simply click on connect and it will be connected immediately. Okay, now it is asking for the chat webhook URL and the message which you would like to compose. Okay, so firstly you will have to read these instructions and visit this documentation that how and from where you can get this chat webhook URL. Okay, so coming back to my Google Chat space, and in whatever the group you would like to receive the notification, open that, click on apps and integration, click on manage groups, and firstly I am going to delete this existing webhook URL. Okay, I have deleted the same, and then provide any random name to the incoming webhook. Okay, so I'm providing the name with connection with Gmail app. Okay, I'm providing this particular name. Asking for the avatar URL, well, you can check this URL, you can get this URL from this documentation, okay, which I have just shown you. Let me copy this hyperlink, let me copy this avatar URL from here, come back to my Google Chat space, and as soon as you will provide these two details and click on save, this is how you will receive your chat URL. Okay, I have copied the same. Simply close it, come back to Pabbly Connect and paste the same. And the second thing, it is asking to compose a message. Okay, so I will be sending the email something like, hello blogging team, a new email is received and is sent by the freelancer. He has submitted the blog. You can check that email. Okay, so this is how you can send the notification on Google Chat. Okay, let me also correct the spelling, and just in case if you also want to include some email details along with this message, you can also do the same. How you can do that? Okay, so you can either add the sender email address, or you can say the freelancer email, freelancer name. Okay, I will write it as freelancer name. Okay, in case you want to provide any other detail, let's say you want to attach that blog file as well, you want to share that file within your team, within this Google Chat team, that is also possible. You just need to map the attachment link. Okay, how you can do that, I'll show you. Firstly, let me complete this email. Regards, HR manager. Okay, so I have composed the message and how and from where I'm going to add these two details. Okay, so remember, we have just received the data into our previous step. I'm going to collect this data, I'm going to map this data here. Mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Simply click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the response. Okay, you just need to search for your data. Okay, in that case I would like to map the email address of the sender. Okay, so I can actually search for the email address with the help of @ And here you can see I have this from email address, but I am not going to map this email address in front of you. I will be adding this manually, any random email address, because I cannot show you that email address. Okay, xyz that email gmail.com. I'm sorry for that. Asking for the freelancer name. Well, I can show you the name at least. So yes, we have the freelancer name. Just in case if you want to attach the link of the file, you can also do the same. Simply search for that attachment link, and this is how along with the notification you can also send the file link. Okay, but this video is just about sending the notification, so that is why I am deleting this link. Okay, just in case if you want to attach it, you can do the same. And the subject line, how about I show you how you can map the subject line and the email content. Okay, you can share at least these details, email content. Okay, and here I will add the subject line. Subject line was blog submission, and the email content we have is with the body text. Okay, body text. Here you can see hello team as per the discussion. Yes, it is the same content. Okay, I think I have done all the steps. I will be clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will see how the notification will be received on your Google Chat group. And yes, the notification is already arrived. Okay, hello blogging team, a new email is received and is sent by the freelancer. He has submitted the blog. You can check that email. The sender email is this, the freelancer name is here. We have the subject line, we even have the email content, regards HR manager. Okay, so this is how you can automatically receive the notification about every incoming email on your Gmail account. Okay, and whatever the details I have mapped here, these details will replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. So what will happen if a new email is arrived, then these details will replaced by that new email details. Okay, and here we have another interesting twist, that is I just want to receive the notification about the blog submission only, but in this Gmail account I am going to get lot of emails. So what I can do, basically I will have to filter these blog submission emails. Okay, so how I'm going to filter these emails? Well, in this Pabbly Connect, it has an amazing feature of filter. Okay, yes, with the help of this feature that is called filter, it is an amazing feature via which you can apply different kinds of conditions within your automations, within your workflows. Okay, so before this Google Chat step, I'm going to apply a condition that if the subject line consists of the words like the blog submission, or if my content contains the words like the blog, the article, or the 1000 words, so that my automation will understand that this automation is actually sent by the freelancer, and in that case this automation will proceed further and it is going to send the notification. Otherwise what will happen, if this condition will be false, this automation will stop working here only. Okay, so how you can apply the condition, let me show you. In this drop down you will find the above data. Okay, so firstly I am going to apply the condition on the subject line, that if my subject line contains the word like blog. Okay, and you can also apply this condition on the sender email address as well. Okay, so let me show you. Here I will be searching for the from email address. Okay, so in this case I have the from email address as this. Okay, if that email address is equal to, and here I can add the email address of the freelancer. Okay, so let me add the email address of that freelancer. If the email is sent by this specific email ID, then only this automation should proceed. Okay, so here you can see the condition is true. Okay, but just in case if that email is not sent by this particular email address, or if that email does not consist of this word, in that case the automation will not proceed further. Alright, so this is how you can apply this kind of condition within your automation. And now onwards what will happen, every time you will receive a new email into your Gmail account, firstly the automation is going to check whether this email is about the freelancing content or not. If it will find that the condition is true, then only the notifications will get sent. Otherwise this automation will stop here only. And just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of this workflow into the description box. You just need to click on this link and sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. And once you will set this automation inside Pabbly Connect, you do not have to do anything manually. Simply set this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once, sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.